working online. Working online, which goes by many names, has been around for a long time. Some people refer to online workers as a freelancer, remote worker, or a host of other things. Technically speaking, work-from-home jobs have been around since the beginning of time. Farmers of all types are technically at-home workers, but for this article, we will focus on the much more recent online home job. Working online, from home, means completing a job just as you would in an office, from the comfort of your own home. The growth of remote working has grown over the years. Telecommuting started in the 90s with a governmental experiment that showed benefits to telecommuting. The results showed that productivity improved, there was no need for office space, and overhead costs were reduced. In the 2000s, the number of telecommuters increased again, though starting with government employees, telecommuting and freelancing has grown to include many companies, employees, and individuals over time. The advantages to working online are numerous for both employees and companies, or individuals of freelancing. Several of these advantages will be discussed below, followed by a few disadvantages at the end. One of the biggest advantages of working online is the office space. Your office can literally be anywhere you choose. Online workers can work while sitting on a beach, while enjoying a coffee in a specialty shop, or in their own bed. You get to choose your space as long as you have a reliable internet connection. If you prefer to work at a bulky desk and computer chair, then you can. But if you prefer to sit with your feet propped up on the couch, that is a possibility as well.